This is the garden. Tomatoes doing quite well. Can't remember if I mentioned in a previous video that I got rid of the beans, but the beans are gone. Beetroot, more tomato, beetroot, some radishes around there somewhere. Lettuces, broccoli, and failing tomatoes. And some rocket. So I just put this in for her. Been in a few times, she seems to really like it, I think. Way better than the bath. Don't need a ramp or anything. Back. That was awesome. I think that means she likes it. I'm so happy. Need to fix that up. We also got a new puppy. Her name is Sadie. She may be in future videos. Of course, Mitch is still around. Very bright. So that's the next day. Still really enjoying the pond. Getting a bit dirty, but I think that's okay for a little bit. And I've fixed that with plastic covered wire instead of just that stuff. So I suspect this won't last too long, but we'll just leave it for now. So I've bottled all the remaining beer that was in the barrels over there. Those are empty. And apart from those two empty crates and that one of wine bottles, this is the lot, which is too much. But the idea is keep at least some of hopefully every batch for as long as I can, so I can taste like batch number 21 in 10 years or so. It'd be pretty cool.